हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं हूं रमन यादव। लेकर आया हूं आपके लिए क्लास 9th के बच्चों के लिए एक नाइस वीडियो। सब्जेक्ट बायोलॉजी, चैप्टर्स नेम टिश्यू। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं एलिमेंट्री आइडियाज ऑफ टिश्यू की विस्तृत जानकारी देना चाहूँगा। तो आइए जरा देखें विदाउट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम। सबसे पहले हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ एन ऑर्गेनिज्म को देखें। ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म कि कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म कैसे बना। As we know, the cell is the smallest building block of an organism. The cell is the smallest building block of an organism. When two or more cells are combined together, they form a tissue. We can also define as a group of cells similar or dissimilar in structure which perform the specific functions. This is called a tissue. When two or more tissues are combined together, they form organ. When two or more organs are combined together, they form organ system. There are different organ systems in our body, such as digestive system, which helps in digestion of food. Excretory system, this is helpful in the excretion, in the expelling of excreta outside the body. Circulatory system helps in pumping of blood throughout the body. That is also responsible for the transportation of essential materials throughout the body too. This is essential for sustaining our lives. Another, nervous system. You all are aware of this word, nervous system. All activities are also controlled and coordinated with the help of the nervous system. We can able to think, thinking, reasoning, playing, jumping, escaping, muscular movement, all voluntary and involuntary actions are also regulated with the help of the nervous system. When several organ systems are joined together, they form organism. When several organisms live in a group, that is called as community. When these communities live in the major scale, that is called as population. Now this population also make biosphere. This is make biosphere. In this way, children, you come to know about the reconstruction, organization of an organism in the systematic order. Students are convinced you have to maintain the continuity this video up to the end without wasting your time. Please have your patience. बच्चों आइए तो देखें नेक्स्ट एलिमेंट्री आइडियाज रिलेटेड विद टिश्यू. First of all, try to understand what we mean by tissue. A group of similar or dissimilar cells which perform the specific functions, that is called a tissue. Pay attention here. A group of similar मतलब एक जैसा, और dissimilar means different size का. Dissimilar cells which performs special functions called tissue. Bachcha, do you know the term tissue was coined by Des? The term tissue was coined by Bichet in 1792. बाइकट साइंटिस्ट जो है सबसे पहले टिश्यू टर्म से परिचय करवाया। जरा देखते हैं इसका स्ट्रक्चर कि हाउ सेल्स आर अरेंज्ड टुगेदर यूनाइटेडली। These are the cells. How these cells are united together. With the help of the diagram, you come to know what will be the shape and size of the tissue. This is the ultra structure of tissue when seen with the help of the electron microscope. As you have got the information in the chapter of cell about the ultra structure of the cell. These all are cells. ये सभी cells हैं. It also makes the special structure, complex structure. That's why it is named as tissue. Really, biology has been classified into different branches: morphology, histology, cytology, anatomy, embryology, etc. Histology. Do you know what is histology? A study of tissues. A study of tissues of various kinds. A study of tissues of various kinds is called as histology. इसी को हम हिस्टोलॉजी कहते हैं. हिस्टोलॉजी. डू यू नो व्हाट इज द फादर ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी? बच्चों, क्या आप जानते हैं कि फादर ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी कौन है? चलिए जरा देखें. फादर ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी, हिस्टोलॉजी का फादर सेंट मैरीज जेवियर बाइकट. सेंट मैरीज जेवियर बाइकट, यही नाम है फादर ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी. अब जरा देखें फाउंडर ऑफ हिस्टोलॉजी कौन है? हिस्टोलॉजी का फाउंडर, हिस्टोलॉजी का संस्थापक. हिस्टोलॉजी का फाउंडेशन किसने दिया था? तो नाम है मार्सिलो मालपिघी. मार्सिलो मालपिघी. बच्चों, जरा स्पेलिंग पर स्पेशल केयर करेंगे, स्पेशल ध्यान देंगे. Then you can give accuracy in exam. Marsilio Malpighi. And the term histology कौन दिया है? The term histology was coined. हिस्टोलॉजी दिया गया मेयर के द्वारा. मेयर in 1819. Later on, I will explain about the classification of plant tissue. Children, you have to study about the nervous system. This is one of the most important organ system. Most important organ system है It helps to control and coordinate of all activities. यह सभी एक्टिविटी को कंट्रोल करता है. डू यू नो व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ नर्वस सिस्टम? क्या आप जानते हैं कि नर्वस सिस्टम का यूनिट क्या होता है? नर्वस सिस्टम का यूनिट है न्यूरॉन. नर्वस सिस्टम का यूनिट है न्यूरॉन. हियर वन क्वेश्चन इज ऑल्सो आस्क्ड, ड्रॉ अ लेवल डायग्राम ऑफ न्यूरॉन. अब जरा हम लोग न्यूरॉन का स्ट्रक्चर देखें. This is the structure of neuron. Try to learn how we can draw. This is the structure of neuron. Here there is a long fiber, long nerve, which is extended from the cell body. This goes up to the lateral nerves. This is called as axon. इसका नाम axon है. This axon also contains the jelly-like substance. Axon, this is the long nerve which is extended from cell body to the lateral nerves. This is called as axon. This axon contains jelly-like substances named as एक्सोप्लाज्म. एक्सॉन के अंदर जो प्लाज्मा है, एक्सोप्लाज्म. फर्दर, the cell body contains spherical sac-like structure, oval sac-like structure. This is called a nucleus. This cell body also contains jelly-like ground substance named as cytoplasm. Cytoplasm. This is the cell body. Cell body. There are several branched fibers, several branched nerves connected with cell body. These branched fibers are named as dendrites. These dendrites spread into body parts. Do you know what are the functions of these dendrites? The main function of dendrites to receive message from various body parts. वेरियस बॉडी पार्ट से मैसेज को पिकअप करना, मैसेज को रिसीव करना. एंड दिस मैसेज इज ऑल्सो सेंड्स टू द सेल बॉडी. यह मैसेज सेल बॉडी में आता है. फर्दर, विद द हेल्प ऑफ द साइटोप्लाज्म, दिस मैसेज is also transferred to axon. With the help of the exoplasm, this will also go to the terminal nerves. यह terminal nerves तक जाता है. These are terminal nerves. ये terminal nerves. terminal nerves. Terminal nerves also ends at the last, that is the terminal end. ये terminal end है. This is the structure of neuron. Further, this axon is also covered with a membrane named as न्यूरोलेम्मा. न्यूरोलेम्मा कहते हैं. This न्यूरोलेम्मा, the space between न्यूरोलेम्मा and axon, jelly-like substance are also found. This jelly-like substance is called as न्यूरोप्लाज्म. इसको न्यूरोप्लाज्म कहते हैं. Further, this neurolemma is also covered with another membrane. This another membrane is named as myelin sheath. इस मेम्ब्रेन का नाम माइलिन शीथ है. माइलिन शीथ. माइलिन क्या है? माइलिन इज अ काइंड ऑफ प्रोटीन. माइलिन एक प्रकार का प्रोटीन है. प्रोटीन का बना हुआ कवच, प्रोटेक्टिव लेयर, दैट इज द सेफ्टी लेयर व्हिच प्रोटेक्ट्स एक्सॉन फ्रॉम एक्सटीरियर शॉक. जो एक्सॉन को एक्सटीरियर शॉक से बचाता है. सिमिलरली, द सेम स्ट्रक्चर इज ऑल्सो फाउंड हियर. Children, you have got the information about the ultrastructure of neuron, how message is received from various body parts, how this goes in the cell body via dendrites. Further, how this message is also transferred to axon, axon to the terminal nerves, or terminal nerves to the nerves ending. Here, there is a junction between two successive myelin sheath. myelin sheath के बीच there is a gap. इस गैप का नाम दिया गया है नोड ऑफ रेनवियर. लिख देता हूं. नोड ऑफ रेनवियर. नोड ऑफ Ranvier. In this way, children, you have got the information about the ultrastructure of neuron. बच्चों, यदि आज का यह वीडियो आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल हो तो कृपया रमन क्लासेस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें. अपने दोस्तों को अतिशीघ्र शेयर करने का प्रयास करें. लेते हैं तब तक के लिए विदा. धन्यवाद.